This is the Gelli Arts Gel Plate, and it's a versatile, exciting way to create unique designs and mixed media work. Here are some simple steps to get you started. Start by gathering your materials: a gel plate, acrylic paint, a brayer, acrylic paint markers, and your choice of paper. Draw or paint with your markers. Let the design dry, and then spread a thin, even layer of acrylic paint over the gel plate. While it's wet, press your paper onto the plate and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes or even longer. Now for the magic. Lift the paper to reveal your print. You can experiment with layering dried paint for even more depth. Finish up by pulling more ghost prints. Easily clean your gel plate by spritzing it with water and wiping with a paper towel, then patting dry. Gel plate printing is simple, creative, and endlessly inspiring. Give it a try and see where the process takes your work.